got too many hoes, but they ain't you. You like to put that shit in your nose.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl Tymarrahgi, and we are back with another video. So if you guys seen by the title, today we are doing a Vpart install on this, this Vpart wig, and we are doing no leave out. So I am going to be showing you guys how to do the no leave out with the crochet method. So this is a 24-inch kinky curly Vpart wig from ISEE hair, and you guys already see what came inside of the package, and I was just showing you guys exactly what everything looks like. Now underneath that bonnet, y'all see I got these braids. I didn't really even try to make these braids precise or anything. I know most people, when they do be doing this, they be having like two braids left out in the middle, but what I did was just clip them in between my braids so that part in the middle could show, and then I crocheted the hair in between, and I still felt like it looked pretty natural. Now you can wear this with leave out, but sometimes people don't want to have their real hair out, have their real hair showing. You just want something like 100% protective, and I would suggest this being like a 100% protective style. And I feel like this method right here just made it so much easier. Now I went in and cut a little bit of layers on this hair. I'm not really sure how I feel about the layers, but I still feel like the hair looks pretty cute. Like, I feel like I was just trying to shape it to my face as much as I could. But yeah, like, this is what we came out with when I shaped one side and then went ahead and did the same thing for the next side. Now, like I said before, we are using the crochet method. So you're going to take your crochet needle and just find a place with your hair, and then slide a piece of the hair on the Vpart wig into that part and just flip it over. Now it might, be looking a little out of place at first, but just make sure you do it all over the perimeter so it can be blended, so that it is a middle part without you seeing like the tracks and stuff from the V part. So that hair is going to cover it, and then I am gonna later on add some mousse and stuff in between to lay that down and make it look a little bit more natural. And then I did also go on with the comb a little bit and tease that part. Now y'all see my face right here. I was kind of scared because I've never done this before, and I was just like, I hope this don't look a mess, y'all. Like, I was really hoping it didn't look a mess, but for the most part, for my first time doing this, I feel like it looked pretty good. And for me not having no braids in the middle, I feel like it looked pretty good. Now right here it looked a little questionable, but y'all seen, I got it together eventually.
Okay, I can't leave you alone, no, no. Still love you, doing shit that nobody knows. In the streets they be thinking you a lady, but at home, if you ain't nasty, don't at me. I've been working all day. I like to run the streets in this dark out and come home with your back out. I hope that's okay. I can't leave you alone.
Now, after I was done with both sides, I'm just going ahead and taking that mousse and I'm putting all over my hair, all over the hair, just to get the curls a little bit more defined and just looking a little bit more of the wet look and how I really want it for real.
Nasty, don't at me. I've been working all day. To run the streets in the dark out, to come through and blow your back out. I hope that's okay. I can't leave you alone, no, no.
And then I also wanted to test out if this was gonna fall or not, because I did tighten the back as you guys seen in the beginning. So I just wanted to make sure that this was not gonna get off my head. And I feel like when I shook my hair, it just like made everything fall into place and it made it look a little bit more cute. So I was really loving that. And we are basically done, y'all. Like, this is so easy to do. Like, really easy if you guys do not want to have your hair out and you just want something really quick. You know, you got somewhere to go and you just want to just throw on a wig real quick, like you about to go up the street, go somewhere, something like that. Just a really easy style to throw on, and you don't have to worry about no glue, no nothing. This is perfect. So I feel like ISEE Hair did a great job with this Vpart wig, because you can also do your leave out if you want to, or you can do it this way if you would like. But you guys already know all the information for this unit will be down below, so make sure you guys check that out, and make sure you guys shop ISEE Hair as well, because y'all already know, you know, it's Black Friday coming up, so y'all know they're gonna have the deal. So make sure you guys don't forget to click that link down below and shop ISEE Hair, you guys. And if you guys have any questions about this install, make sure you guys comment down below. And if you guys like this video, don't forget to give your girl a like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll be back with more videos soon. Stay blessed. Jab babies, we out.